Hi, I'm Chris Matherly. This is the video Morel report for the first 12 days of April 2019. Still getting reports in Alabama, northern Alabama. Arizona has had a few flushes. Arkansas is still really going strong in the northern part of Arkansas. Lots of big finds in Arkansas. Very good year there this year. California getting reports. Georgia, we're still getting reports, even around Atlanta. Just even a couple days ago, still getting reports. So it's just been an extended season in the South. Illinois keeps spreading northward, starting to get grays in the south and more blacks. And going north. Same with Indiana. Indiana's doing pretty good too. So far my predictions are turning out right. Got the first report in Kansas, and followed by many more reports in the last week. Kentucky still getting lots of reports. Still some big blacks and starting to get some bigger yellows now. Missouri is starting to take off and spread northward, getting grays in the south and even yellows now, and blacks in the north. Mississippi still got a report in the western part of the state. North Carolina getting good reports in higher elevations now. Ohio keeps spreading northward, getting grays in the south and blacks way up into the central part, like Columbus. Oklahoma, just getting epic reports, just as I predicted. Just huge finds, big yellows all over Oklahoma. Oregon is starting to come on with some really good flushes of blondes now. Pennsylvania, we got the first report this week of blacks, and then several more to follow, and it's spreading northward now too. And we're still getting reports in South Carolina. Tennessee, we had the foray this past weekend. And we did really well. We found 3 different species of morels and had a good time. And getting lots of reports in Tennessee, some big yellows now. Texas, believe it or not, still got 1 report of a big old ugly one up in the north part of Texas. Virginia coming on much more stronger, getting grays now. And lots of blacks, and West Virginia the same. It's spreading out. and looking a lot better. And a few foreign countries is British Columbia, Canada, France, Germany, Poland, and even Japan. This is a cool part of the season because we got the biggest spread of Morel finds from Georgia all the way up to into Kansas and Maryland. I forgot to mention Maryland. We had one report in Maryland. So anyway, this upcoming 7 to 10 days, this blizzard that came through is going to slow things down of anything that was happening. It really wasn't yet, but up in the upper Midwest, Wisconsin and Minnesota, and up that way, warm up now, and so it's not going to really affect those areas like from central Illinois southward and eastward. It's not really going to affect there because it just shot up into Canada. But it's going to be, it's been a slow progression. It's been really good so far. Most areas are seeing above average, just like I predicted, or at least average. And things are looking really good. I've got, things are, Pennsylvania's going to continue to spread northward. We might get the first report of little tiny ones maybe in the southeastern part of Iowa this coming 7-10 days. We got Illinois is going to keep spreading northward. Kansas is going to keep going. Missouri, and then we got might even see the first one in Nebraska. I don't know. That cold thing might have slowed it down. Ohio, Pennsylvania is going to continue going northward, and the mountains and stuff of West Virginia and Virginia is going to start getting higher elevations, and lower elevations are going to be yellows. And then, you know, when you go south, you know, Tennessee's about peaking now, and Kentucky, and, you know, so Georgia is definitely going to be coming to an end. South Carolina is going to be coming to an end. The eastern part of North Carolina is going to be coming to an end. Arkansas is probably going to be coming to an end. Oklahoma, maybe another week, they're going to start getting older. It's almost past peak in Oklahoma now, spreading northward. And but everything is looking good this year. We've had two great forays so far, and happy hunting. See you in the woods.